target noton nebo taman arawet ko noton nebo somok ngunon ko sait agenge kosir dakikayat agenge en nebo studio nebo Asai TV Kenya kasarta noton nebo logoiwekab emet nesomanun ko inendet Isaiah Kiplangat kotochin kebetuan kibagenge agoi katuget nebo logoiwechuton. Kitaunen logoiwek chemwoe kole katestai tuyet nebo parliamentary group nebo kandoik chebo chamaitab UDA ak nebo ODM en kibagenge en kotab tuyoshek noton nebo KICC en kanaset neo nebo Nairobi. Kandoichi tuyonoton kandoindetab emet ako kandoindet nebo chamaitab UDA Dr. William Ruto komiten koboto rubeiwondenyin Kithure Kindiki ak kandoindetab chamait nebo ODM Dr. Oburu Odinga. En kasaratan komwa President Ruto kole kikomuch serikalit noton nebo broad based government kokushikong alak en koyomisutik choton chekimiten en kebeberwek choton chemiten en 10-point agenda cheboto kakimitet nebo boisionik chebo bandab tai, boroinwek chebo boisionik en neranik, kakimitetab chepchetaetab mogornotet yekin kotes rabisiek chebendi serikalishek choton chebo counties, chobetab ng'atutik chemiachen en motwet nebo police ak kakeranet koityi biik choton chekiityi asenet nebo banwekab oret chekibo Gen Z. Kosom kora kibagengeit noton neborchingei imandab kipkosobe nebo Kenya National Human Rights Commission kochob ng'atutiet noton neitito kot neking'ote ng'atutik nebo boror ak noton nebo Senate noton netere biik chebendi banwekab oret. Koyochin komaswek choton tuwan kotoi committee nenaat kou Parliamentary Broad-Based Mediation Committee newendi kokere kole kakisuldaen en chokyinet alak en kebeberwek chebo koyonchinet nebo NADCO report.
You cannot replace a life. You cannot compensate it. There's no cost to it. It is just to give some, to give some pole to the people who lost their loved ones. And it is pole for those who were injured in those demonstrations. It is not to compensate. It is, even though we call it compensation, but you cannot compensate life. So those who thought that, who were saying that there is nothing absolutely which has been done on the 10-point agenda, shame on them. Shame on them, because you can see there is a lot which has been done and there is a lot which is still remaining to be done. I am very, very impressed, particularly by the agenda of infrastructure. The infrastructure is the game changer, and that is game changer for the whole world. If you go to these countries, we are saying we want to go to Canaan through Singapore. That Singapore used exactly the same methods we are using, including the infrastructure fund.
Ladies and gentlemen, the MOU between UDA and ODM was built around a 10-point agenda, drawing largely from the recommendations of the National Dialogue Committee, or commonly known as NADCO. These agenda items address critical national issues, including electoral reforms, the cost of living, governance, and economic stability. Following the signing of the MOU, we immediately began implementing the agreed programs. I am pleased with the report that has been presented here today by the Oversight Committee, highlighting the progress made across the 10 agenda items during the past year. The progress we have made is evident across several areas. Our country today enjoys greater stability, and the partnership has created an environment in which government programs can proceed without unnecessary political disruption. Opportunities for our young people are expanding, with government programs now reaching hundreds of thousands of young people across the nation. Through initiatives in housing, health, agriculture, education, the digital and creative economy, as well as the labor mobility programs, we are deliberately expanding new avenues for employment, that we are faithful to our commitment on matters to do with legislation that is there in Parliament. We know there has been back and forth between the two houses. We will be recommending in this PG that we have a broad-based negotiating team. One that is going to sit with both houses of Parliament, comprising membership from both houses of Parliament. Because if broad-based decides, Parliament will decide. Is that true? Yes. Because we have the numbers to drive it through both houses of Parliament. So I want us to raise the standard a bit so that we establish a broad-based negotiating committee or mediation committee to assist us on all the items that have been presented for legislation in Parliament by NADCO. One has already been dispensed with. The matter of NGCDF. The courts have given direction, and therefore the legislation that had been presented to Parliament is now what the lawyers called functors of issue.